Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are talking about Barceló Bavaro Palace, one of the most popular all-inclusive resorts in Punta Cana. It's huge. It sits on one of the best beaches in the Dominican Republic, and every year thousands of people choose it because it looks like a luxury resort without the luxury price tag. But once you start looking deeper into real guest experiences, especially the negative ones, certain complaints keep showing up again and again. Not one bad vacation, not one angry guest, patterns. And that's exactly what we are going to break down today. Alright, let's start with the rooms. First impressions are usually good. The rooms are spacious and many have a great views. But recurring complaints mention musty smells, mold, broken jacuzzis, weak Wi-Fi, malfunctioning TVs, outdated furniture and bathrooms that don't always feel clean enough for a 5-star resort. Some guests even describe changing rooms because the first one had too many maintenance issues. Now let's stay with the rooms for a moment, because another issue keeps appearing: maintenance. Broken safes, lights that don't work, air conditioning problems, plumbing issues. Guests often say they reported these problems but had to wait much longer than expected for someone to fix them. At a luxury resort, people don't expect perfection, they expect fast solutions, and that's where many reviews say the experience falls short. Alright guys, now let's move into food. This is probably the biggest complaint across negative reviews. The buffet offers plenty of choices, but many guests describe the food as repetitive, bland or simply average. Some restaurants receive good reviews, but others are criticized for slow service and disappointing meals. Several guests even say the food looked much better than it actually tasted. And while we're talking about food, let's mention something nobody wants during vacation: stomach problems. Most guests never experience them, but there are repeated reports of digestive issues after eating at the resort. That doesn't automatically mean the resort has a widespread food safety problem, but when the same concern appears across different years and different reviews, it's something travelers should know before booking. Now let's talk about restaurant reservations. On paper, there are plenty of options. The problem is actually getting into them. Many guests say the most popular restaurants are fully booked early, leaving them eating at the buffet more often than expected. And when you're staying for only a week, losing several dinners to reservation issues becomes frustrating. Alright, now let's talk about service. Options here are very divided. Some guests describe incredible employees who made their vacation special. Others describe rude staff, slow responses, long check-in lines, forgotten requests, and feeling like they constantly had to follow up. The biggest word that keeps coming back is inconsistency. One employee goes above and beyond, the next one barely seems interested. Now let's move outside and talk about the beach and pools. This is definitely one of the strongest parts of the resort. The beach is beautiful, calm, and one of the best in Punta Cana. The pools are huge and there are plenty of activities. But even here, recurring complaints appear. Guests reserve loungers early in the morning. Pool service can be slow. Depending on the season, seaweed can become a problem. And during busy weeks, the resort feels much more crowded than the photos suggest. Now let's talk about value, because this is where many guests become disappointed. Several reviews mention extra charges that people didn't expect at an all-inclusive resort. Some attractions require additional payment. Room service may cost extra depending on your package. Some guests even felt they were constantly being encouraged to spend more after already paying for an all-inclusive vacation. And here is where everything comes together. Barceló Bavaro Palace isn't really a terrible resort. That's not what the reviews show. The biggest issue isn't one major disaster. It's inconsistency. Some guests leave saying they'd come back tomorrow. Others leave wondering how this is marketed as a 5-star resort. Usually when experiences vary that much, it means the resort isn't consistently delivering the same standard to every guest. Alright guys, so let's close this properly. When you put everything together, rooms, food, service, maintenance, reservations, crowd, and overall value, a very clear picture starts forming. Barceló Bavaro Palace has an incredible location, one of the best beaches in Punta Cana, and property with huge potential. But at the same time, it struggles with consistency in the areas that matter most. If you are mainly looking for a beautiful beach, lots of activities, and good value for the money, you will probably have a great vacation. But if you are paying premium prices expecting flawless service, outstanding food and true luxury experience, from beginning to end you should think carefully. Because when the same complaints repeat across different guests, different stays, and different years, that's not coincidence, that's structure. If this helped you see things a little more clearly, subscribe. We are going to keep break down resorts exactly like this. No marketing, no filters, just real talk. Take care guys, and choose smart.